Everyone is talking about making money online. But here's the truth. Most old side hustles are dying. In 2025, AI is creating brand new opportunities that people never imagined. And in this video, I'll show you 5 AI side hustles that real people are already using to make up to $500 every single day. Here's the problem. Most people are still trying the same saturated side hustles like drop shipping, Amazon FBA, or freelancing for pennies. Everyone is fighting in overcrowded markets. The winners? They're the people who discovered how to use AI tools in new ways. And today, I'll reveal exactly how they're doing it. The first side hustle is AI video creation. Tools like Pictory and Runway can turn boring blog posts into professional videos with stock footage, subtitles, and voiceovers. Right now, creators on Fiverr are charging between $100 to $300 per package. Imagine taking someone's article and instantly transforming it into 5 engaging TikToks. That's money in your pocket. Want to create videos fast? Here's how AI does it for you. Step 1. Open Pictory and choose Script to Video. Step 2. Paste any blog post or text. Step 3. Select 9:16 format for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Step 4. Add your voice or use AI voiceover. Step 5. Export. Your video is ready in minutes. One blog post can become 5 short videos. Freelancers sell this package for $250 on Fiverr. That's the power of AI video creation. The second side hustle is AI copywriting. Businesses constantly need ad copy, product descriptions, and email campaigns. With Jasper or copy.ai, you can generate these in minutes. Freelancers are charging $50 to $200 per project. And here's the best part. Most clients don't care if you use AI. They just want results. The third side hustle is AI voiceovers. Murf AI lets you create studio-quality narration in dozens of voices and languages. Podcasters, YouTubers, even e-learning companies are paying $50 or more for professional narration. And you don't even need a perfect voice. AI does it for you. Let me show you how simple AI voiceovers can be with Murf AI. Step 1. Go to Murf.ai and sign in. Step 2. Paste your script into the text box. Step 3. Choose a voice, male or female, in dozens of languages and styles. Step 4. Click Generate Voice, and in seconds, you get studio-quality narration. Imagine this. YouTubers, podcasters, and e-learning companies are paying $50 or more for each project. The fourth side hustle is building websites with durable AI. Type in a keyword, and within 30 seconds, you've got a complete website with text, images, and branding. People are selling these websites for $300 to $500 each. What used to take weeks now takes seconds. Incredible, right? Let me show you how durable AI can build a website in seconds. Step 1, go to durable.ai. Step 2, type in a keyword like coffee shop or fitness coach. Step 3, instantly Durable generates a full website, complete with text, images, and branding. Step 5, publish and share your brand new site online. Imagine this, what used to take weeks now takes seconds. And freelancers are selling these websites for $300 to $500 each on Fiverr and Upwork. That's the power of AI website building with Durable. The fifth side hustle is AI music production with Soundraw. This AI generates unique, royalty-free tracks in seconds. Creators need music for YouTube, ads, and games, and each track sells for $20 to $50. It's like having your own music studio, without owning a single instrument. Here's the secret. You don't need to master all five. Even one of these side hustles can replace a full-time job, if you stay consistent. The earlier you start, the bigger the advantage you'll have over everyone else. If you found this valuable, smash that like button and subscribe.